gosh, finally. It's so cold. Finally, nasa bus na ako. Paalis na rin. This is a limousine bus. Hindi naman siya napuno. Konti lang kami. Of course, umalis siya on time. It'll take about 1 hour to get to Dongdaemun. Yung luggage ko nandun sa luggage compartment. Binigyan niya lang ako ng numbers. Yan. Hopefully, it's safe to walk to my hotel. I'll be staying at Dal Premium Capsule Hotel. I think I paid about 1,200 pesos lang per night. Tapos meron na siyang continental breakfast. At least I don't have to start my day every day in a convenience store finding something to eat. Pero continental breakfast lang siya, so hindi siya yung mga breakfast buffet or plated breakfast that we usually have in the Philippines or other Southeast Asian countries. Mostly ano lang siya, bread, coffee, cereal. So ganun lang siya. So if I want protein, kailangan ko pa rin kumain sa labas. Next stop na yung Dongdaemun. Then I'm just gonna have to walk to my hotel. Here's the bus stop. It took us about an hour. And then here is DDP. So let me figure out how to get to my hostel. I'm walking to my hotel. Mapanakit yung lamig, guys. So hindi na ako makapag-content kasi ang lamig. Tapos ang dami kong dala. Malapit na ako, konti na lang. I found it! Oh my goodness. Pinalayo pa ako ng neighbor. May malapit na street naman pala.